Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the front shock absorber from this Mercedes E-Class. As you can see, and yes, that's right, this car has the shock absorber and the spring separate from each other. And if you have a look back here, you can see the point where the shock absorber is connected. Also a little bit lower, just down there. The suspension arm is connected to the wheel knuckle. First I'm going to disconnect the steering wheel from the wheel knuckle. I can have more space. Okay, so I'm holding from the back with a 17mm. So the nut is out and it's extremely hot. It's crazy. Let's reconnect the steering wheel. We gotta lift the suspension arm. And the bolt comes out. Now we can release the suspension arm. And you can see the shock absorber is free from here. Now if you look inside the engine bay, you can see the point where the shock absorber is connected. I think we've got another 17mm here. Okay, so here is gonna be the challenge. We have to keep the shock absorber from spinning. Something like that. It will take some time, but it's possible. Okay, so the nut is free. And these washers can come out as well, together with this rubber bushing. This is usually the part which squeaks a lot. Okay, so here it comes. Now to install the new one, just place it back here. Okay, have to lift a little bit the wheel knuckle. Now I have the wheel straight. Okay, so as you could see, with a regular screwdriver you can match the holes and then tighten the bolt. That was 65 foot-pounds. Finally it's time to tighten back this nut and the swap is done. Okay, so that's how you replace the front shock absorber on this car. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.